In this video, we will see how to get the subtitles from a YouTube video and also remove the timestamps using a simple method in Microsoft Excel. Once you are on the video where you have the transcripts, scroll down to find these three dots below your video. Click on Show Transcript. Next, copy the transcript with the timestamp here, hitting Ctrl+C on my keyboard and then pasting it inside a notepad file, and then taking this again and going into my Excel file and pasting it. I can directly paste into Excel, but it might come with some extra formatting, which I don't want to have. I just want the values here. Now select this column where you have the transcripts pasted. Click on Find and Select and click on Go to Special. You can also open this by hitting F5 key and then clicking on Special. Next, click on this constants and remove everything except the numbers. So you just want to have the numbers. Click OK. So this is going to just select all the stamps here and not the captions. Next, click on this delete and then click on this delete sheet rows. So that gets rid of all the timestamps with only the captions remaining. And this, my friends, will give you the YouTube transcript or the captions without the timestamps for you. I hope you like this video. If so, please hit on the subscribe button and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks. Bye.